So hair is done. So crazy, I got a middle part, but I'm liking it. I got it done like, it's 5 o'clock now. I got my hair done like 11, but I went to the mall. I was gonna get my eyebrows done, but my lady wasn't there, so I'm just gonna go another time. But me and my mom are about to be on the way to get this funnel cake food truck. They have like other food. Not sure. I don't know if I've ever eaten at a food truck unless it was at a fair, and this is just like a pop-up food truck. So getting the fried Oreos, and it's kind of cold out here, but it's a little bit of a vibe. Yeah, I think they're making everything like fresh or whatever, but I'm in a rush. Okay, so these are the fried Oreos. Okay, let's try these Oreos.
Why?
What, shrimp? With a skin?
Man, that means I have to peel it off in this.
You
don't want no skin on it? Who does that?
Wow. New spot, different day. We're going to try some Korean barbecue for the very first time. I'm excited. I hate how it always looks like I'm eating. But I promise you, I don't be eating this much. If I'm gonna eat like at a new restaurant, I don't eat all day. So I haven't eaten all day. Had an apple juice from Starbucks, but I'm excited to get this Korean barbecue. Never been there. Kind of scared. Went to the gym this morning, so I burned 500 calories. So I have an extra 500 calories to, you know, eat up. Like, guys, this is where we're eating with my mom. My mom's complaining a little bit about the cleanliness.
You see them stains on.
Just like it's little stuff in the cracks. Feet are weird. I don't know. Okay, let's do the beef brisket, spicy chicken, shrimp, fried dumplings, steamed egg with cheese, corn cheese.
Yeah, you talk a whole bunch at a time, or you don't have to do one at a time. I'll come back in a minute.
Thank you. I tried the corn cheese because Faye's rub. I'm wondering what this is. Thank you. Y'all, she done burn up these people's grill. But she finished. Let's see it. I was like, oh, there's one left. There's some left. Oh, it's empty. Y'all, they went to the store and picked this up. I think I'm sure you'll speak. I'm gonna be on the Polar Express. This is the fit for me. I am by myself. I don't know which I'm gonna try to show you like the little light thingy, but there's a lot of old people and like no black people. It's just me, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna be staring at me recording. So, no, I'm out of breath. I literally. Oh, there's a train. I literally. Oh shoot! Why did I park over here? But. Don't even know where I'm supposed to be. Okay, I found where I'm supposed to be. And yeah. I guess I'm on the Rudolph train. And you scan my little ticket thing. And it's getting kind of cold. I did wear my jacket. So, but it's okay. I think you're sitting on it.
We will arrive at the North Pole.
Do you want to be in my video? You want to be in my video? Okay.
She asked you. You gotta use your words.
You want yours punched?
Megan, are you gonna get yours punched? Yeah. Here, hand it to me because she can do two at a time.
I'm stretched hand, and he pulled me aboard. The train was filled with other children. Merry Christmas! He shouted. The Polar Express let out a loud blast from its whistle.
But I bet you can do even better than that. Let's see your Christmas spirit.
Imagine falling. I don't even remember where it was.
Everybody on Rudolph ride this way!
Continue to be good. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
So far from where we parked.